Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's and welcome aboard our latest trade, a 2015 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer. This 410 Sundancer has had one owner since put into service in 2016. It's powered by twin QSB 380 horsepower Cummins diesels with Zeus pods. Exclusively been used in fresh water on Lake Michigan and always stored in a heated building during the off season. The 410 Sundancer was offered as standard equipment with this flip-out bolster. Half of it is out right now so you can get an idea of what it's like. There is storage underneath this cushion right here, allowing for storage for fenders and lines and other things as well. Moving forward, we have a cockpit grill. We have a trash chute right here. Ice bucket right here, which can be used for koozie storage, as you can see. Cockpit sink. Storage here for a cooler. We've got a cockpit refrigerator here. Storage underneath all of the seats here. This boat was equipped with cockpit air and heat. And as you can see, an upgraded stereo system. The sunroof is manual. Port side chaise lounge here. And dual helm seat. Joystick control, dual ray marine displays with SmartCraft instrumentation. Another nice feature of this boat is the windshield vents, which give you some added ventilation. Moving into the cabin, there is an acrylic door that shuts, and as an added bonus, there is a screen. The descent into the cabin is an easy 4-step, and cherry wood floors. As you can see, these floors are in excellent condition. I've not seen any marks whatsoever. Very nice sized galley with full-size refrigerator, freezer. Storage. More storage. Opening port light window in the window right there. We've got a convection microwave and additional storage. Nice little pantry here that has additional storage down here, and then you've got drawer storage here. The mid cabin is set up as a desk, or it can turn into a bed. Got a hanging locker right here. Your 120 volt part of your distribution panel is right there, and your 12 volt is directly underneath it, so easy separation of both. We have a hide-a-bed here in the main salon, and there is a table that is removable there. That is storage in the floor. Master stateroom, and this bed is folded up. That control right there will bring this bed further out to give you obviously a little more comfortable sleeping, but if you like to sit up and read, it's perfect. And then the master head with separate shower. And then we have a day head right next to the galley that is also a shower or wet head. All storage here, by the way. And your audio. For more information on this incredibly well-maintained Sea Ray 410 Sundancer, call today. Again, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Thanks for watching.